So here is my brow tutorial because I've been getting a lot of questions on if I can make a tutorial. I threw in the little eye look just because it was so short, so why not? These are what my brows look like before. Shout out to Alyssa for keeping my eyebrows done. So I'm gonna take this IT Cosmetics brow brush. It's like super tiny, so I can get a really thin line. That's my favorite. And then I'll take the Anastasia dip brow in ash brown, and I just kind of line the bottom of it. That's how I start, like that's my little base. Then I'm going to be taking the top. Since one arch is there, one arch is not, one brow grows higher than the other, so I have to go look in the mirror back and forth, just kind of draw the arch and then connect it down. It's a lot easier watching it than explaining it, so yeah. Get them down pretty good, then I'm just gonna fill them in. Remember, they're sisters, not twins. That's what I try to tell myself anyways. But then I take the NYX Cosmetics brow brush, micro brow, sorry, and it's ash brown too. And I just take it at the beginning because I don't like that harsh, boxy look, too dark in the front. I want it to feather out and look natural. My brows do naturally grow up in the front too, so I got lucky with that. But I'll just take the brush. It's super thin, so you can get like little hair strokes, and then just kind of blend everything out. This is super important. You have to carve your brows out. It's not the same if you don't. You can take any kind of concealer. I take my Fit Me concealer, and I take this Micasa's Beauty, I think that's how you say it, E240 brush. It's super thin, it's super flat. It just gets right up under there and carves them out. And this is what makes them last all day long, is the Anastasia clear brow gel. They're not moving. Like, I can go out all day long, even if all of my makeup comes off, my brows are there. So that is the brow tutorial. Then for the eye look, I just took Paper Tiger from ColourPop. I think these are all ColourPop matte eyeshadows. So I took that with the Wet n Wild blending brush. I'm just gonna put it in the crease as a transition shade. Then we're going with Cutouts, just going a little bit lower in the crease, blending everything out. Nothing has to be perfect. The next shade is Cannonball. I'm gonna take it and focus it more in the outer V, putting it still in the crease, just a little bit lower than before, and just trying to pack it on the outer V, making it a little bit deep, like deeper in color. And then this is so simple. I took the Stila Kitten Karma, and it already has a little brush on there, so you can kind of make your little cut crease in one. Like, you don't have to use a base, you don't have to do anything, you just literally use this, use the brush, that's it. I have to go a little bit above my crease because my eyes are so hooded, or you won't be able to see. Now I'm gonna do a wing. I took this Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. It's in navy blue. I didn't want to do black, I just wanted something a little bit different. This is my favorite liquid liner. I buy these like 2 at a time because they're so good. I'll just line the top of my lids and then kind of find where I want my wing to go. I usually try and focus it top of the ear. That's where I try to go. Bring it down and then just fill it in. An easier way is you can take tape and do it. You can always clean it up with concealer. And then we're going to take this CoverGirl liner and just do my waterline. Oh, I guess I threw in a whole face tutorial. So I'm going to go in and do my foundation, concealer, powder, all that stuff. I forgot all this was in here. Just to break it. You thought that and bronze up the face with this NYX matte bronzer. It's in medium. I love this bronzer. If you want to look tan, you need this bronzer in your life. And then I've been contouring with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil for like 2 months now. I haven't changed it up, which is really weird for me. Then I'm gonna take this shade, I don't even know what it is. I will put it on the screen. It's super pretty though. Put my lashes on. I struggled with putting the lashes on. My lash glue is completely old, so sorry about that. So yeah, that's my brow tutorial, a little bit of a wing tutorial, and apparently a full face tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, do all that stuff, and tell me what you want me to do next.